Oh God, I'm hungry. Let's hope and pray I don't have nothing in my teeth. Is this? Okay. Whew. Well, hello YouTube. Welcome back to Style with Nina. And again, if you're following my channel, you know that I am doing a series called The 12 Days of Luxury. And I believe this is day 3. If that is wrong, I'll put it somewhere. But I believe it's day 3. And so yeah, what I'm going to do, I want to go ahead and say that I started the 12 Days of Luxury because I had an accumulation of shopping and unboxings that I had never gotten to, and I figured that this would be a great way to do my own little spin on the 12 Days of Christmas, something that goes with my brand and my channel. So yeah, welcome to 12 Days of Luxury, day 3, I believe. So what am I going to open up today? I am just grabbing a bag. Woo, woo. So this is day 3. Let me turn it this way. So my sales associate, my SA at Saks, actually gave me a call to let me know that they were having some sales, and she put something to the side that she thought that I would be interested in. So hopefully you guys can see this. I'm gonna try to unbox it. I'm not gonna even tell y'all when I purchased this because it is so ridiculous how long I've had this that we're not gonna even say. And I've had it like this since I purchased said item. Okay. This is a true unboxing. Lord Jesus. And I don't know if you guys know this, but I love Saks bows. They make cute neckties. You can, you know, style up your items with this. So yeah, keep these. Cute bow ties for your outfit. If you got a friend that'll give you a longer one, which I got some long ones, I actually tie them on my like white button-ups and then use this to tie to make a pretty bow. Very cute. And you can do this with all bow ties. You can do this with the ties that you get from Gucci, Louis, all of that. So there's a style tip for you guys. Okay, let me move on. This is so ridiculous. I've had this for so long that the receipt is even clear. It's like been faded. You see, this is from Saint Laurent, YSL, Saint Laurent, whatever you want to say it. Okay, let me. That's the price that this was originally. Woo! Y'all see this? I love this bag. This is the, oh my God. I believe it is called, let me see if it's on here. I believe this is called the Lulu bag. I can't even read the, I'll leave it up here somewhere. But it puts you in the mind of the Gucci Soho Disco. I think this bag is fabulous. Oh my God, fabulous. So yeah, what I love about this bag is it's a little bit bigger than the Gucci Soho Disco, which was one of my complaints. And I'll do, you know what I'll do? I'll do a comparison between this one and the Gucci Soho Disco. But I love it. It's leopard. I love that the YSL, y'all see that, is a little bit understated. So, you know, this is a bag that I would carry out of town where, you know, you don't want to be so designered out, in my opinion, because then you're a target. That's just me. So yeah, this is, I believe it is called the Lulu bag. I done gave hubby my cell phone, so I can't even look it up. But yeah, I'll just add it somewhere up here. So yeah, love this bag. I was able to get this bag for an amazing, amazing price. Like, I'm trying to read the, I know it was I was at least half of the original price, but I know it was less than that because I'm cheap, y'all. Y'all don't know, but I love luxury, but I love deals. I am a reseller, so I very rarely pay full price for luxury items because you don't have to. If you're just patient, you know, there's some things that, you know, you just gotta bite the bullet, like I said, earrings. But yeah, stuff like this, I love this. This is an amazing carry-on. It's just, I mean, a crossbody bag. It's adjustable. And what I'll do, like I said, you guys, is in a future video, I will do the comparison between this bag and my Gucci Soho Disco, because I think this is an amazing comparison bag. And I don't have many handbags that have, I guess you would say this is silver hardware, even though this is very, very understated, but the rest of it is silver hardware. So yeah, you guys, love this bag. I've had this bag for forever. I may do, I may have hubby take a picture of me in the actual bag so you can see it. If I do, it'll be somewhere up here. But yeah, so stay tuned. I believe this is video 3 of the 12 Days of Luxury. So stay tuned to the next video. I love you guys. Stay stylish and stay fabulous. Mwah.